During the week of February 3, flu resulted in the deaths of another 10 children, bringing the total pediatric deaths so far this season to at least 63. This was the statistic as of February 9th. Flu season has started early this year, and the number of people seeking medical attention has risen to levels not seen since the 2009 swine flu pandemic. The H3N2 virus has claimed the lives of many people in 2018 alone, but it can be prevented. Over the next few minutes, I intend to help you understand what influenza is, how to prevent it, and what to do if you've already fallen victim to it. Let's start with a brief overview. Influenza is an extremely contagious respiratory illness caused by two main strands, Strand A, and in some less severe cases, Strand B viruses. Most cases appear during the winter and early spring months. The influenza virus attacks the body by spreading through the upper and lower respiratory tract. This year's outbreak is due to the H3N2 strand, which is type A. Strand A is constantly changing and is capable of infecting animals as well as people. Although it's more commonly found in humans, a pandemic such as the swine flu would be an example of this. Type B is only found in humans and is less severe but occasionally can be extremely harmful if left untreated. Influenza has the potential to be deadly, so let's go over a few methods to prevent it. The flu can be easily avoided if you take the right preventative measures. The best way to prevent any disease is to make sure to use proper hygiene. Some ways we can do this is by making sure that we're washing our hands with antibacterial soaps, cleaning underneath our fingernails, and using hand sanitizer as needed. It's also important to avoid contact with people who are sick. When encountering sick people, avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. It's also good to encourage coughing into your elbow and turning your head in the opposite direction as others. Finally, practice good health habits. Getting plenty of sleep, eating well, and staying hydrated are all good ways to boost your immune system. But maybe it's too late to take preventative measures. It's important that you treat the flu at the first signs. If you start seeing signs of the flu, talk to your doctor. Since the flu is a virus, the best thing you can do is to drink plenty of water as well as rest to help your body conserve energy so it can fight off the infection. Your doctor may prescribe an antiviral medication like Tamiflu to help you deal with some of the symptoms. Taking an antiviral medication shortly after the first signs of flu will shorten your illness and prevent further complications. It's important to remember, when taking medications of any kind, to always follow the manufacturer or your doctor's instructions, and to be sure to take all of your prescribed doses. Staying home is also a good rule of thumb while you're sick to avoid spreading the virus. By this point, I hope you found at least one thing interesting or worthwhile to listen to, and I hope that hope I've given you a few things to think about this flu season. In conclusion, we've discussed what influenza is and how to prevent it and how to treat it. Even more people have died since the week of February 3rd. But with this knowledge, maybe we can avoid the H3N2 virus that has claimed so many lives so far. Thank you.